Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about accessing SQL from a programming language, part of database management system course. There are many programming languages that can be used to access and manipulate data in a SQL database. Some common options include Python. Python has several libraries that can be used to interact with a SQL database such as PSY-COPG2 and PyODBC. Java has several libraries that can be used to interact with the SQL database such as JDBC and Hibernate. C# has several libraries that can be used to interact with the SQL database such as ADO.NET and Entity Framework. Similarly, PHP has several libraries that can be used to interact with the SQL database such as PDO and MySQLi. These libraries provide functions for connecting to a database, executing SQL statements, and processing the results. To use these libraries, you will typically need to install them and import them into your code. You will also need to provide connection details for the database, such as the host name, username, password, and database name. Here is an example of connecting to a SQL database using Python and PSY-COPG2 library. This code connects to a database called My Database on the local host using user1 and password. It then executes a select statement to retrieve all rows from the customers table and prints the results. Finally, it closes the cursor and connection to the database. It is important to handle exceptions and properly close connections to the database to ensure that resources are released and to prevent potential issues. Once you have established a connection to a SQL database from a programming language, you can execute any valid SQL statement and process the results as needed in your code. This can be a powerful tool for building applications that interact with data stored in a database. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.